Right there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial that will show you how to design your own logo online. So the software that we're going to be utilizing to do this with today is called Canva, and that's a browser-based piece of software which you can actually access via a link in the description for this video. So after you're done watching, if you click that link just down below, that'll take you then straight to Canva, where you can log in and you'll have a free version of it to try out. And to be honest, there's very little that the pro version offers as opposed to just a wider range of templates. You can do everything with the free version, so I highly recommend giving it a go. It's very easy to use, very intuitive, and a very good sort of first step into graphic design for people. So if you've got no experience in making things like this, then it's ideal for you. It's also suitable for advanced users, and it's just a very efficient way of working because it utilizes templates. So when you're at the home page, if you select in the search bar at the top, if you hit the word logo, you'll see that it's got a very large library of logo templates, 61,000 of them in total, or just over. And you can see that they've got some suggestions at the top and some categories on the left hand side to help you further narrow down that search. So if you look for beauty, for example, you can see there's 12,000 beauty logos. It's obviously a very popular niche, and the idea is that you'd find a logo within this library somewhere which closest resembles the logo that you need, and then evolve it into your logo. So have a good look around, spend some time sort of looking at the different categories and seeing what's out there. And then once you find one that you want to use, give it a left click and then select customize this template here. Okay, so that'll then open the Canva editor where you can make modifications, bring images in, add images from their elements library, which is a library of sort of still images that you can just click and drag into yours. You can add custom text from this tab over on the left hand side here, as well as upload your own images and link from Google Drive as well. So as you can see, when I select objects in my logo, these tools at the top here change depending on what I've got selected. So that eye, for example, it's pretty much just the color that I can select for that. And if you want to change that, as you can see, you just hit that little square at the top there and it opens the color picker and you can give that a change then. So if, for example, that you don't want something that's in the image, you can just hit the trash icon when you've got it selected there. And then text, for example, obviously you get the font size and color there, and then just give it a double click to type in whatever you need to. And as you can see, that allows you to very quickly modify something and turn it into your own. It's a very strange font, I know, but you get the idea. Okay, so it's very simple. You click the background and that color picker comes up again, and you can change that into whatever color, etc. It's very simple, very intuitive. Okay, so once you've got a logo then, which doesn't look like an abomination like mine does, that you're happy with, and you want to download it from the software to your device, if you hit share in the top right hand corner here, that'll open then in a second, and hit this little download button, and that'll allow you then to select the file type, usually a PNG or a PDF sometimes if you need it as that, and then hit download, and that'll give you it on your device. And it is as simple as that. So you can click Canva as a link in the description for this video down below. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of that nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got suggestions for future videos or any questions or anything like that, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.